Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or iCloud. First, open the WhatsApp and then go to settings. Then tap on the chats and then look for the chat backup option. Then if you're using Android, tap backup to Google Drive and choose your preferred backup frequency. Then tap backup to start the process. If you're using iPhone, make sure you are signed in into iCloud and then tap backup now. You can also enable automatic backup so your chats are saved regularly. Then make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. Once the backup is complete, your chats will be safely stored in the cloud. That's how you back up WhatsApp chats. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.